Or are you crying again? Would it be the same if I could hold you, my friend?
Good morning, friends and family. We're out here in the Western Superstitions catching a rare cloudy and rainy day, which is actually really fun to hike in out here in central Arizona because we have like 360 days a year of completely blue skies and maybe 4 or 5 cloudy days where the sky just looks absolutely gorgeous. So being that it rained yesterday and rain is on the forecast for this morning, seems like a perfect opportunity to take a look at the Canyon of the Waterfalls. Personally, I haven't done it before, but I'm not alone. I got the Wookie with me and he has been up there, so we'll pick our way up through the canyon, which is an off-trail route. And eventually, if all goes well, we'll make our way all the way up to the highest point here on the western side, which is Hilltop 5024. And we'll be overlooking Flatiron. And then we'll head down the Siphon Draw Trail back to our car at the First Water Road. Really excited. It's gorgeous out here today. Can't wait to see what the Canyon of the Waterfalls looks like. So let's go. Anything to add? Okay, there you go. That's a Superstition Wilderness mating call, in case you're wondering. Don't get any ideas.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? They get you to train your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold comfort for change. Did you exchange a walk-on part in the wall for a lead role in a
Man, is it cool back here. We don't need the waterfalls for this canyon to be all kinds of awesome.
To be honest, if it was really flowing,
It'd be a problem. Oh, it's cool back here. We were at that point in the adventure where we're going straight cross country. Never done this before, so don't know exactly where to go, but this is one of those adventures where you pick your own poison. Try to find the path of most fun or least resistance or whatever it is that you like to do. We're gonna try to ride this ridgeline all the way up. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, we'll be heading for that big head wall up there. On the other side of that is Hilltop 5024. The other option would be to go in this canyon a ways, go up a little higher and then cut out left, but whenever you get a choice between a canyon or a ridgeline, if you're bushwhacking, you're gonna find a lot less bush to whack on the ridge.
true story. Yeah, I concur.
think we'll just be going right up somewhere past that head wall there. Not sure exactly how to get there, but man, look at this view. All right, looks like we're about halfway up the ridge and it's steep, but totally manageable. This looks a little bit more challenging here. I can see some smaller cliffs we have to navigate before getting to that big head wall up there. I don't know if we're gonna go to the left or to the right of that thing. That's the big flat thing that's on the
Oh, check this out.
Yep.
All right.
Careful.
Keep the blood pumping. Or not.
Oh. I just got stung by a fucking bee, I think. What? Yep, right in my hand. Got a little bit of a dilemma. It's tough to tell, but we're not sure if we want to go on the right side of this giant tower here. If we go on that side, it is very steep. Or we traverse this way and try to go around it, and maybe it'll be a better ridge over there. I think we're gonna go this way. So far we've been choosing correctly, so this appears to be the path of least resistance. Of course, we turn the corner and we may be faced with the same thing, so I think we're gonna take the easy way. This ridgeline right here is the Massacre Falls Western ridgeline. Massacre Falls is way down that canyon there, but you can get up this ridgeline off trail, or the canyon of the Waterfalls, which is over there. Either way, we're going right up there. And I've been here before, so I feel more comfortable. Oh, that was hard. Moving slow, old man.
You're not wrong. I'm tired.
Oh yeah, it's a long day.
Trying to keep up with you isn't easy.
Yeah, man. All those daily hikes really pay off on adventures like this.
Yeah. Hitting Camelback a couple times a week doesn't really do it.
Well, imagine if you didn't do that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this wouldn't be possible.
At the top.
Right? Well, the good times have come to an end. The canyon of no waterfalls, reverse Flatiron route was really adventurous, super fun, and pretty tiring. But we picked a beautiful, rare cloudy day, and it was awesome. So that's it. Take care.